Now, across India, growing LPG crisis is hitting the commercial sector hard, where restaurants, hotels and even street food vendors are struggling due to supply chain disruptions caused by the conflict in the West Asian part of the world, while the government assures that domestic households have sufficient supply and has urged citizens not to panic. The situation on the ground, however, tells a different story. Businesses are facing significant distress with long queues and shortages reported in several areas. Let's, in the meantime, get you this introduction of Kuvam Gujral, who is one of the owners of Moti Mahal, and he is joining us this morning to understand how LPG shortage is impacting restaurants and food businesses and what the industry is expecting from the government. Thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. Is Moti Mahal also facing shortage of LPG? What is the current situation?
We have restaurants in two-tier cities also. Like, we just don't have it in the metro cities. We are targeting in two-tier cities like Bihar regions and everything, as well as a small city like Begusarai, which is in Bihar. So we have a restaurant over there where there is no LPG connection, and all the restaurants actually operate on gas cylinders. So yes, there is going to be a very long effect, because yes, Delhi state-wise, we are still getting gas and everything. But some regions, it will be too difficult to supply. So the restaurants over there are going to be definitely 100% affected. And we won't be able to provide 100% of operations. We have to reduce our operations timings. We have to reduce we have to increase the cost and everything of the raw materials, of the selling price of the product. So everything will be affected by such kind of issue in the market.
So are you indicating that the price will also be increased for the customers?
By the way, I would say that if we have to hike the prices if there is any issue with gas and fuel and everything and LPG. If this is going to be a shortage, then we have to reduce the production, and obviously we have to reduce the production up to 30 to 40%. And we might have to hike the prices, because everything is going to be expensive today. Like, if the LPG is not going to be there, we have to hike the prices because everything is going to be inflated. So yes, the production is going to drop down to 30 to 40%. And it's not just going to be dal makhani and butter chicken, but it's like other gravies also. Like, if someone, like, there are 4 gravies in restaurant industry, 4 to 5 gravies in restaurant industry, through which every cooking is done. So if we reduce on, it's not going to be just the dal makhani gravy and the makhani gravy and the tomato gravy. It's going to be white gravy also, onion chop masala gravy. All these things are going to be there. So it's not just going to be dal makhani and butter chicken, but it's going to be overall. It's going to affect overall, actually. Because even if you go with tandoors, like with your naans and everything, you can't cook it on induction. It's not practically possible that you can cook it on induction. Only there are 2 ways. One way is LPG, other way is coal. We don't use coal, so LPG is not going to be there. We have to hike our prices, so that's going to be a challenge. So another issue is going to be there, that you will not be able to have the assorted breads which you have in a restaurant. We might have to shift only to rice. So that can be also a condition and everything, because the LPG is required for tandoors and also as well as Indian food also. So that is going to be a challenge, if you ask me personally.
All right, because multiple restaurants and chains have already, put up updates for their customers, citing that few options on the menu of theirs will not be available because of the LPG crisis. Well, Mr. Gujral, thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. Well, that seems to be the effect that is now coming in on the Indian commercial sectors, especially when it comes to the hospitality businesses that multiple people are now facing. We're going to be back after a very short break. You're watching Times Now.